Welcome to Somfy's video manual for Somfy-powered rolling shutters. In this video, you will learn how to set limits for the Somfy Altus RTS motors using a single-channel Smoove wall switch. Before we begin, remember to create a drip loop to prevent water intrusion. All wiring must conform to the national and local codes. Do not use motor cable to penetrate building walls. Connect the motor to power in a listed junction box. If cutting the motor cord, leave at least 12 inches as the antenna is embedded in that part of the cord. Connect the motor to power. Remember to power only one motor at a time. To initiate programming, press both up and down simultaneously. The motor jogs. Check the direction of rotation by pressing up or down. When pressing up, the shutter should move up. If necessary, reverse the direction by pressing the My button until the motor jogs. Next, we'll set the limits. Since we are closer to the lower limit, we will set that one first. Move the shutter to the desired lower limit. Once you are happy with the position, briefly press My and up simultaneously. The shutter will move up. Make sure you stop the shutter before the desired upper limit by pressing My briefly. Adjust if necessary by pressing up or down. Next, briefly press the My and down buttons simultaneously. The shutter moves down. Press My to stop the shutter and then press My again for about 2 seconds until the motor jogs. To finalize the settings, briefly press the programming button on the back of the switch. The motor jogs, confirming the settings. The motor is now in user mode and ready to use. Now is the ideal time to program additional controls, sensors, or accessories. Thanks for watching. Visit us on rollershield.com for more information.